Going for Hajj is an obligation for Muslims. Every year, millions of Muslims from all over in the world gather in Saudi Arabia to perform Hajj. Ihram. Ihram is the intention to perform the pilgrimage. Here are some preparations before Ihram. Shave the mustache, bleach, unplait the pubic hair, shower and clean up, wear perfume and read the intention of Hajj. The implementation of the pilgrimage began on the 8th of Zulhijjah. After Ihram and preparation, all the pilgrims go to Mina and spend the night there while waiting for weekly wukuf in the Arafah field. During in the Mina Hajj, pilgrims are encouraged to read, pray, istighfar, zikir, talbiyah, contemplation, and read the Al-Quran. After the dawn prayer on the night of Zulhijjah, the congregation went to Arafah for wukuf. Wukuf is contemplating or experiencing the heat in the Arafah field, as if it were in the Mahsyar field. Congregants are also encouraged to pray a lot of istighfar, zikir, talbiyah, contemplation, and reading the Al-Quran. Zuhur and Asar prayers in the early Qasr congregation were summarized into 2 raka'ats are carried out at the time of Zuhur. Before sunset, when they arrived at Muzdalifah, the congregation performed the Maghrib, Isha, and dawn prayers when it was time for prayer and increased zikir and prayers. On the 10th of Zulhijjah, after the morning prayer, the congregation left Muzdalifah to perform the Aqabah Jumrah. During the course of the congregation, it is recommended to take pebbles to be done at the time of Jumrah Aqabah, namely throwing pebble 7 times. After performing the Aqabah pilgrimage, the congregation continues to do tahallul or shave their hair. For men, it is recommended to shave up to the size of the fingers, while for women, it is not recommended to perform tahallul. Then they proceed again to Mecca for the Tawaf of worship. Tawaf is revolving around the Kaabah 7 times, where the Kaabah must be in a position to our left, which is then followed by the Sunnah prayer he performs at the Maqam Ibrahim. And if you have continued by drinking the Zamzam water in the place that has been provided. Then the pilgrims head to the hill of Safa Marwa to perform Sa'i. Sa'i is walking from the hill of Safa to the hill of Marwa and vice versa 7 times. After doing Sa'i, pilgrims return to Mina for the night. While in Mina, the pilgrims are expected to multiply zikir and prayers and continue to perform the obligatory prayer when it is time for prayer. On the 11th of Zulhijjah, after performing the morning prayer, the congregation returned to perform the Jumrah. There are 3 Jumrah that must be carried out, namely Jumrah Ula, Jumroh Wusta, and Jumroh Aqobah. After carrying out their Jumroh, the congregation returned to Mina for another night. While in Mina, the congregation is still encouraged to perform the obligatory prayers 5 times a day, as well as multiply istighfar, zikir, and reading the Quran. On the 12th of Zulhijjah, after performing the dawn prayer, the congregation performs another Jumroh. They are Jumroh Ula, Jumroh Wusta, and Jumroh Aqobah, which then continue the journey to Mecca to carry out Tawaf Wada. Tawaf Wada is tawaf that is done before returning to their respective countries, or commonly called Farewell Tawaf. Tawaf Wada is the final process of the pilgrimage.